Ratul, say I'm taking your responsibility for the next 7 lifetimes.
Can I say something? I have to give her new sari as well.
Mithai, give it to Ratul.
Sure. Here you go.
I am I'm taking up your responsibility for the next 7 lifetimes, Nipa.
What are you saying? Think before you speak, Ratul. Have you gone completely mad? No, aunt. It's okay. Humans are prone to make mistakes. And it takes time to adapt to new relations, right? Like how I'm still calling you Aunt Sushmita.
Brother Ratul, give me the plate. You can pick up the phone.
Uh, it's an important call. I have to take this. Please, excuse me.
Mom, I was asking, can Shri serve sweets to everyone? Hey, Shri, come with me. We are almost done here. Mom, please come along. Mom, you too come along. Dad, bring everyone, please. Come, Shri.
Sister Shritama, are you all right? Tell me the truth.
I'm good, Mithai. Just that I'm too scared. I'm thinking that what will Nipa say once she's back? Okay, tell me, Mithai, will Nipa misunderstand me?
Sri, what nonsense are you talking?
Brother Rajiv, what happened? Is everything all right?
Yeah, what is happening, Sandy?
Hey Shri, where are you?
I'm coming.
Brother Rajiv,
Hmm?
is everything all right?
Ratul sent me a text message and he's saying that he has to go out of Kolkata for some important work and he will be back home late at night.
What?
What? What are you saying? The bath will begin in a while. Lord, Lord, what game are you playing? What is Brother Rajiv going to tell everybody now? Where did Brother Ratul go? Where did he go?
I am I'm taking up your responsibility for the next 7 lifetimes, Nippa. I have no other way than switching off my phone. I know everybody will be worried. Brother will have to face so many questions. Sorry, brother. But I have to do this no matter what happens. Or else I'll go mad.
Ratul! 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 Where did he go? What will I do now? I'm feeling very confused. He had messaged me that he was going out of Kolkata and he would be back late. So where could have he possibly
Brother Rajiv,
gone?
call him up. Call
Yes.
him up. Call
Yes.
him up right now, please.
Okay. His phone is switched off. What will happen now?
Brother Rajiv, I can't imagine that all these incidents are happening in our family. Believe me, I can imagine and write these kind of stories in my script, but it's happening in real. Brother Rajiv, tell me something honestly. Did we make a big mistake by getting Shri married to Ratul, right?
Sandy, this isn't the time to judge our actions. My concern is what am I going to tell mom? Shri is waiting for the ritual. What am I going to tell her? How will I face her? You know what? Neither your sister nor my brother are trying to understand our situation.
Brother Rajiv, let's go inside. Let's go home, discuss with everyone, and find out a way. We can't wait like this. There is no point wasting time like this. And Shri never thinks about herself, you know that, right? Or else she wouldn't have taken the decision to get married in this manner. I wasn't present there, Brother Rajiv, or else I wouldn't have allowed her to get married in this manner. She has her whole life ahead of her. Is Shri also going to spend her whole life like Mithai? I am I am taking up your responsibility for the next 7 lifetimes, Nipa.
Here you are, Brother Rajiv. Did you find Brother Ratul?
No, Mithai. He left.
He left?
Brother Rajiv, now we should inform this to everyone.
What are you going to inform them? This is something so serious. Aunt Sushmita will be devastated if she comes to know.
But we have to inform her, Mithai. Everybody is waiting to eat the sweet rice served by Sri. But Ratul just went away. Can you imagine my situation? How much can I handle?
What? What are you saying? Where did Ratul go? He was here just a while ago.
See it for yourself. Go ahead, see it for yourself. Ratul sent me this message and then he left home. I'm really going mad now.
Oh my lord. The guests have already sat down for lunch. I came here to call you and Sandy. Shri is supposed to serve the food now. How could he do such a thing? That too at such a time.
Yes, Nanda, he already did that. He did it. Give me my phone. Actually, you know what? Your cousin and my brother are choosing these special moments to do whatever they please. I think I'll just go mad now.
What important work does he have?
How will I know about that? He did me a favor by sending me a message and then conveniently switched off the phone. He drove off while I was standing there. I'm telling you, I just can't do this anymore. Please go to mom and tell her whatever you need to tell her. Don't involve me in all this.
Brother Rajiv, how can you become angry like this at this crucial hour? We have to now think about how to handle Aunt Sushmita. She might fall sick when she comes to know about this.
Ratul should have thought about that.
Sister Nanda,
Strange.
don't talk about all that now. Now we have to think of a way to salvage the situation, Sister Nanda.
No one has to do anything, Mithai. I will speak to Aunt Sushmita. Actually, the situation is so strange that no one seems to be in senses. So
Yes,
I
Sushmita.
was...
What is this? Why are you all standing here? What's happening? Everybody is waiting, Nanda. Shri, you have also joined them, haven't you? Where is Ratul? Huh? Nanda, let Shri serve the food to the guests first. Then you guys do whatever you want. It's getting late. Sushmita, as soon as your mother-in-law left, everybody started slackening in their duties.
You are right. Shri has to serve food to everyone and only then she can have lunch. She's fasting. Has everyone forgotten about that? Hey Rajiv, where is Ratul? Aunt Ratul isn't home.
What? What does that mean? What is happening here? I just can't understand.
Actually, he received an emergency call. Do you remember the project that Ratul was working on? The job that he had quit, that job in a foreign company. It's one of the projects of that company. They had called up Ratul and asked him to visit their branch office. It was an emergency.
He got a call and he left immediately. He didn't find it necessary to inform anyone.
Maybe he was scared to tell you because he was scared that you might scold him. So I told him that I would inform you about all this. Actually, I thought you wouldn't scold me much compared to Ratul, that's why. I'm sorry, Auntie. I guess I've been a bit audacious. Please don't be annoyed, please.
Ratul didn't do the right thing. Rajiv, couldn't you reason with your brother? How could Shri have stopped him? But you could have stopped him. I really don't understand what has happened to you all. You have lost the minimum sense, it seems.
Sushmita. Sushmita, listen to me. Why are you worrying so much? The wife has let the husband go. What can you or I do in that case? Okay, Nanda. Let Shri serve food to the guests at least. What do you say? And Mithai, what are you staring at? We have to go back home on time. There are so many chores left to be done at home. Sushmita, come. Nanda, come. Sushmita, come, please. Don't waste time.
Sister Shritama, it hurts, doesn't it? You're hurting, right? Don't suppress the pain within your heart. Don't suppress it. Vent it out.
I'm not feeling any pain. Why should I feel any pain? It is not easy for Ratul to accept everything so soon. We must give him some time. As of now, we have managed. But when we go to the Manohara house in the evening, if Ratul doesn't come back by then, that will be a problem.
Shri, what have you done to yourself? Why didn't you think about your personal interest? Is this the way? How will you spend the rest of your life in this manner?
Let it be, Sandy. It's quite late. Come and have lunch. Rajiv, come and have lunch. As of now, we have managed. But when we have to go to Manohara house in the evening, if Ratul doesn't come back by then, that will be a problem.
Hey, Lord. Sister Shritama shouldn't suffer more. If you make her suffer even for a bit, I will not spare you, Lord. I'm telling you. I will fight really hard with you.
Everybody will ask about Ratul once I reach the Manohara house in the evening. What will I tell them? He just informed Rajiv through a message and left home immediately after the wedding ritual. Shri, today only you can save the honor of both families.
Sorry, Sushmita. This is absolutely wrong.
I'm also trying to make this point clear for so long.
None of you are able to foresee the future. Listen, one thing is final. No matter what, I won't let my son marry Nipa, and my decision won't change. Shri, I will wait downstairs for your answer. I'm in no hurry, believe me. Just see if you can save the honor of both families. Did I make a wrong decision that day?
I am taking up your responsibility for the next 7 lifetimes, Nipa.